Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw Lazada wallet to PayMaya. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Lazada app and tap on your account section, which is on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply scroll down below where you can find your Lazada wallet option. So once you scroll down below and find the Lazada wallet option, simply tap on the payment options. After you have tapped on it as well, you will now end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on activate and your wallet will now be activated once you have been sent a code in your registered number. So once this is activated, you can simply tap on it, and once you do this, you can withdraw your cash. So once you tap on the add to bank account option, you can simply tap on it and then select the bank account which you want to send your cash to. So here in the name of bank, you can simply select Maya or PayMaya wallet. So once you have selected it, you can simply insert the number of balance you want to send from your Lazada wallet to your PayMaya. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.